Okay, so let's check out this Lincoln PowerMig 140 MP. Customer brought it because it's not powering up, it's not working. So let's open it up and have a look. First, what I'm looking is some burnt parts or loose connections. That's the first step. Oh, and there it is. The input power came off from the power switch. Caused by the zip tie. The zip tie was so tight. Let's cut that thing open. And the other leads, once it's open, test them too. If they're tight, they're looking good. And now connect this one, and you can hear the click. So it's locked in now, it's tight. So it never was tight since it came from the factory. Plug it in, power up, and see. Yeah, the fan runs, the lights are on. That was the problem. Once it's working, let's check the trigger works, the output turns on, the wire feeds. You can adjust the speed too. Okay, this machine is fine again, I'm ready to go.